Hi everyone, this is the first video I've actually done of the seafront this year. So we're just going to have a walk down the seafront. It is quite early, everything's just opening up, but we'll still do a video. This is Wellington Pier. See the winter gardens still waiting to be renovated. Hopefully it'll be done soon. As you can see, the big wheel's back. Well, it never actually went. They just took the carriages off. They've never actually took it down for about 3 years now. We'll have a walk down to the Britannia Pier, have a look at that, because obviously it's had a lot done to it, as a lot of you probably know. Anyone go for breakfast there? So it's a lovely morning, a little bit chilly, but the sun's out. 9:15. Obviously you've got some more cafes, restaurants there as well. The old Windmill Theatre. It's obviously the Adventure Golf. When I was younger, those the sails used to go round and used to light up. And the slingshot ride, which that's been there for many years. Harry Ramsden's Showboat Arcade, that's been closed quite a while. And the Barking Smack, that was closed last year, and it's still closed. Pub next door's open. The Flamingo having the sign, the lights serviced. fish and chips and more. That's a popular one. I think a lot of people go there. You've got the fish and grill takeaway and restaurant. That used to be the tourist information centre. It's been empty for quite a while now as well. The building there with the white van parked in front of it, that was Tower Castle, Grotto Castle, Scary Door, and quite a few other things over the years. Obviously that used to be Tiffany's just there, and the market on the ground floor. Then it was Atlantis Amusements. The pink arcade, which says amusements on the front, that's the bingo, prize bingo. So if you liked the bingo, that's the only one now on the seafront. And I think the people that own it have got one in Newport as well, just next to Hemsby. Gold Rush. There's Perry's Ice Cream, that used to be obviously a little bit further across where the Marina Centre used to be. It's now got its own building with seating area. Got another chip shop, couple of chip shops there. Grelly's, that's another popular one. Majestic Amusements, that's where the last bingo used to be before the new one opened. All new for 2021, it still says on the sign, but it is 2025. See all the little cafes are open for breakfast. We'll have a walk. Which way shall we go? This way. And you see the Anchor. They've not planted the flowers in it yet. Now I don't think I'm going to be able to go on the pier because I can hear the music already, and that's going to cause copyright issues. but we can just have a look at what they've done. So that's the new building they built. I'm not going to go any closer because of the music. We'll go around the front. So there's the new pier front. Probably a couple of weeks yet before it's finished. A lot of people say it looks similar to Wellington Pier, but it looks good. The old red sign's gone, what's probably been there from the 60s. We'll just have a look from the side. Obviously it's still ongoing. Right, that's about it for this one, and I'll take some photos of the inside the pier. If they do stop playing the music, I'll do a video. I'll see. So thanks for watching. More to come.